Dudley Zoo sits inside the grounds of an old castle, but for years, staff say something else has been living in the walls, and you'll never guess what it was. It started in 2019 when night keepers began hearing strange noises in the small mammal house. At first, it sounded like scratching, but every night around 3 a.m., the same noise returned, followed by a low growl, almost like laughter. Traps were set, nothing was ever caught. Then came the smell, like damp fur and soil, spreading through the vents. The animals refused to go near that side of the building. Infrared cameras were installed, but each time the sound began, the feeds glitched. Every frame went black for 5 seconds. When they checked the wiring, they found claw marks on the cables, thin, sharp, almost surgical. One technician swore he saw a small shape dart through the rafters, too fast to follow, eyes glowing for half a second before vanishing. The keepers started leaving food out, thinking it might be a stray, but each morning the bait was gone, and in its place, piles of twigs arranged in perfect circles. One night, a keeper left his recorder running. The next day, he played it back. At first, it was quiet. Then came a deep growl, followed by 2 tapping sounds, like claws on wood. Now, when the lights go out, staff say the scratching still starts around 3 a.m., and if you stand in the mammal house, you'll hear it move just above you. The creature behind it was a pine marten that escaped from the zoo in 1987 and still hasn't been found.